2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, security system, power windows, compass, fog lights, rear window defroster, trip computer, heated front seats, CD player, overhead console, cargo mat. Your new ride is just a phone call away.